I in focus. I hope I in everything. And I hope there's some nice lighting. But anyways, hi everyone. I know you guys miss me. First of all, don't talk about my makeup because this makeup been on all day. But I say I should make a video, well, by the title and by my friend here. You should know what the video about, eh? Let me just move her real quick because she like all up in my grill or whatever, right? I have just some nice lighting. I'm glad. I know. Anyways, so you can tell by my friend and the title, I'm going to be making a bob wig. How I'm going to achieve this wig is by many things. Need some weave. Obviously, you need weave. Duh. And a foam head, or you could use like the mesh heads, or you could use like a real mannequin head with the hair and all that on it or whatever if you choose. I have one of those too, but her head is really too small. I made a wig and it really was too small for my head, so I rather the wig be big-ish than small because you'll be fighting forever. Just in case you guys would like the hair, this is the packaging it came in. It came with a wig cap, but it's not in this, and I'm not going to get it for it. But it came with a wig cap, which is like one of them nets which you like put on your head. So yeah, this hair came from AMZTMI, whatever. This is 100% virgin human hair. This ain't no Remy hair. This is a virgin hair, you know. Came in this little package. It's so cute. I got this from Amazon. These are Brazilian straight virgin bundles, 3 bundles, and a free part closure. This is my closure. I got the inches 10, 12, and 14. Yeah, 10, 12, 14, and a 10-inch closure. This is how the hair looks. But yeah, it's feel good. It's really feel good. I'm not a fan of bleaching the weft, so I'm not even going to try to get into that. But I personally feel it's not really necessary to bleach the weft, especially if, well, not for closures, that is. Like for frontals, yeah, but not for closures, because if you do the part really good, like if you really do it good, and then if your hair is part in that middle part or part in that side part, it'll blend in better with your skin. But that's just how I feel. Now I'm going to just open one of these packs. I'm going to open the 12 to show you guys. It says it is grade A, 100% unprocessed running hair extensions. It comes in the color Natural Black 1B. It is silky straight, can be dyed and colored. And I will be coloring this, not right now because that would take a lot of work. But I will show you guys when I do color it. No shedding, no tangles, no lices, can be curled, bleach style as your own. The delivery time was fast. I got well, I have Amazon. Oh, I got this hair from Amazon for $48.99. Y'all sleep on Amazon hair, okay? Cause half of y'all be buying them $200 hair, and right now they be getting it on Amazon for $60. Okay, invest in yourself, sweetie. Not in these other people. Just saying. Just saying, sweetie. Just saying. It's way better. Look at this. Look at. Does have no shedding for real? Okay, I lie. One hair just came up because I really pulled it really, really hard. But yeah, it really doesn't have any shedding. This is wonderful. Through it. Nope. No shedding. That means my bob about to be lit, y'all. Play with me. Oh yeah. So we're gonna position the closure in the middle of my head. I am making a middle part bob. Duh. So yeah, I'm just going to position it down pin it down with some T-pins. Make sure it's really tight, and then sew it down. Just gonna watch me do that.
I'm overseas. B-R-I-P-P-I-N-G. I got the V-V-S-I-C-E. Feel like a cool juice. Blame it on my jewelry.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane, insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi take your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on.
Eventually.
Show them your stuff, girl. Show them your stuff. Just show up. I don't know how to show them back. Oh, boom. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. We did this in a whole 360. We got this, though. We got this, girl. We got this. We got this. Anyway, so I'm just gonna like put this into a messy ponytail because I really do not need this in my way. So let me just get out real quick up in here. Boom. We got that ponytail, girl. Everything is out of my way. Okay, so we have the 10-inch, the 12-inch, and the 14-inch. So how am I going to show you guys the back? Well, I'm not going to show you guys the back. I'll probably come back when I'm on my second bundle. So I'll just put this in real quick and then I'll be right back. So we back up in this biatch. So the wig is done. I cut out the excess dome cap where the closure is, so when it lays on your head, all you see is mesh and not blackness. I did not use all of my bundles, so I still have some 14 inches left, and the weave cap that I'm going to be using to hold down my hair underneath is from the supplier where I got my hair from. Anyways, so this is how the wig looks on. I look funny. So I'm just gonna like create my parts so I can pluck it. Then we're gonna get into the cutting and all of that good stuff. So I gotta make sure they're in the middle.
A few inches later. We good, we Gucci. So we up in